Alright, so that's watching this video, and here is it. As you know, today we have SRJ Minimall right here, and Charlie, he comes with a lot. He has a lot to say today, so yeah, stay tuned. And if you're new, subscribe because we bring more content. I mean, collaboration content, and I know most of you have a lot of questions about. We just don't want to say right now, but yeah, stay cool, okay? And then let's keep the vibe about these routers. You see, MiFi. A lot of you have heard about it, but I'm sure you don't know more about it. So SRJ Minimall is here. So I would say, welcome, SRJ.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, so if you may ask, who is SRJ?
Okay, so SRJ, I'm Rafi Mohammed. That is the full name.
This guy is from outside Ghana, so it's sure you may not be able to hear what he's saying. His accent alone is something else. Okay, so yes.
So that's it. So that's it. So I'm the CEO of SRJ Brighton Mininall Hub. All that we do is that we deal in tech. We sell laptops, routers, accessories, everything that about computers.
So you bought routers? You bought
exactly.
Okay.
I brought some routers that I would like to show you to your followers. Maybe 1 or 2 or maybe 3 or even more. Me actually show you interest in it.
I need one.
I will dash you where I'm going for. Yes, I'll dash you where I'm going. So for your followers who are interested in buying laptops, routers, accessories, game pass, even game softwares actually themselves, probably if you need one, you need to contact me. So yes, so that's the name. So I'm SRJ and I'm the CEO and the president of SRJ Brighton Minimall page. So in today's episode, probably we would like to unbox some routers and some pocket MiFi, maybe 1 or 2 or even more of you. May show interest in them, and then we can close deals. Sure.
So I think the pocket mini MiFi will be one thing that I think most of you should need it, okay? Because you can't stay at one place. You need traveling, going to work and this stuff. You may need pocket MiFi. You know, it also saves battery. You get it. So getting a pocket MiFi really saves battery, saves a lot of things. Okay, so he has a lot to just say about it. So can we just start with this?
Exactly. We don't need to waste time. So
if you have one, just give it us little details about it. Okay, so yeah.
So I'll show you the pocket MiFi first.
Okay.
So this is the pocket MiFi. I don't know if the camera can actually capture
it. Pick it right here.
Exactly. So yes. So this is the pocket MiFi from the Olax company. And it is universal actually. So regardless,
you want to just see what's inside. You want to see what's
inside. So I'll go inside quickly, and then maybe you get to see what is in here. So this is actually the LTE. That is the Olax.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the pocket MiFi, giving you best connection actually, and it's universal. So regardless of the internet service provider that you are using, whether MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, it is universal, so you don't need to worry about that.
Let me take you through. Okay, so you see, we have this for your PC. We have the power on, power off. We have the charging port right here, and with this side, I think nothing is here. With this side too, we have where you put your SIM card. Okay, so don't worry, it supports SIM. Just insert it right here. You get it out, in and out, and then you just use it. Nothing here, and it has these holes so that you know heating is one thing that really affects a device. Okay, so it has, I mean, is it air conditioner or whatever? It has to be right here.
That's
so that sure.
And that is your charger.
Okay.
Yeah, of course. So
Type-C.
if you are low on battery on it, probably you can use it to charge. So all that you need is just a charger head, and then you are good to go. So that's for the pocket MiFi.
Okay.
And then I would like to run you through that is a broadband router. So this is a broadband router actually, and it's also universal. Exactly. It's also universal.
So
MTN, whatever. So the brand that you see on it is an MTN actually, but that's not just what it's been meant for. It can work with every internet service provider that we have in Ghana. Okay. So without wasting my time, we would like to go in there and then explore what is actually in.
Okay.
So this is actually the manual. Manual for you to actually teach you how to actually use it. But I will show you, so you don't need to worry about that. So this is the LTE Cat 4. It is 4G, a very fast network. You need better internet connection. This is for you. Yes, this is for you. So I would like to take you through some of the ports at the back. Okay. So we have the Ethernet port right here. We have 2 of them. Exactly. And then we have an Ethernet cable inside the package. So get me the Ethernet cable. So yes.
All right.
So this is the Ethernet cable. So if you have a PC and you don't want to go through the hard process of maybe trying to switch on your Wi-Fi and then get it and enter your password, you can go directly with this. You just need to first insert your Ethernet cable right here. You hear some sound. Did you hear that? Yes, of course. And then you just connect this to your PC and you are good to go. You don't need to go and enter password or anything. It's very quick actually. And if you want to remove it, you press this small button right here. I don't know if you can see it.
We see.
Exactly. You press it and then you can just pull it out. So it's very simple as ABCD. Okay. And before you do every connection, remember you need to connect your antennas. So you give me the antennas. There are 2 of them. Exactly. So you connect one on the right.
I think I've seen this at is it Transformers? Transformers.
Exactly. So you connect one here, you connect another one to here. Let me show it to you.
The bumblebee.
And then you raise it up just like that.
Okay.
Have you seen it? Yeah. And then let's complete the port. So this is the power button. You can see this is the power button. And this port that we have here is for both charging and that's your power bank. So we will provide you with a power bank. So without the main electricity source, you'll be able to actually use your router. So you don't have to worry. So one advantage of this broadband router over the normal table net that we have in our homes is that with this broadband router, without the main electricity source, you'll be able to use it, you'll be able to browse for almost like 6 hours because of the power bank. And you're not going to buy the power bank. It is part of the whole package. Is that all right? Yes, it's part of the whole package. So that's one advantage that this broadband router here has over the normal table net. And remember, all of them connect up to 32 connections. So there is no advantage that the table net is having over this one. Yeah, so if you are a client and maybe you want to close this on this, probably
they will say that you are lying to that.
Yeah,
have the 32.
Exactly, the 32 connection right there for you.
So we are not just talking. He knows what he's saying. Okay,
exactly. So it's a whole vibe. And you know, let me show you something right here. There's the port. If you can see, it takes the smaller SIM.
Okay.
Yes. So that is it. So you just put your SIM right here, whether it's MTN, Vodafone, whatever kind of SIM that you have that you want to browse with. Because in Ghana, you see, it depends on the location that you are. There are some places Vodafone works faster. I think you can agree with me.
That one
there are some locations.
Even 3G.
Yeah, exactly. You see,
you won't say it right.
No, in Ghana, you may say that MTN actually has one of the best connections and best market. But you see, there are some places Vodafone works better and faster than MTN. So with this, you have a lot of advantage. Yes. I hope you understand. You have a lot of advantage. So that's it for the broadband router. And it's very portable as well. It's very portable as well.
You said this is for me, or which one?
Probably I'll give you this at the end of the whole advert. So if anyone needs one, probably maybe the person can either contact you or maybe contact me, and then we can close deals on that.
In the comment section, okay, everything will be there, or the description of this video, everything will be there. Okay, so I think it has sensors. These are just sensors. Okay, that will turn on, indicating, letting you know what's going on with the router. Okay, so not only MTN, just for all network. Just insert your SIM right here, and you are good to go. You can just connect to your PC. You have the power on, power off right here, and I can see Wi-Fi and WPS right here.
Exactly, and let me add this. You see, I emphasize more on the Ethernet cable. And remember, if you switch this on, what is going to happen is that you just have to switch on your Wi-Fi on either your PC or your mobile phone. You search for it, and then you enter the password. So there's a password right here. Oh. So we have the password.
Just don't show them my password. But there is a password.
Yeah, because probably you can change it. So after.
Let me come back.
So yes.
There is a password.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So there is a password for each of the routers. And remember, you can change the password in the name after getting it. Yes, and since you have our number, I think anything that will happen onwards, you can contact us and maybe we can actually assist you.
Yes. So this one too, it has air condition. no heat.
Yeah, exactly. So yes, this is a product from SRJ Brighton Minimall, and this is one of the many products that we offer to our clients. And I have my big brother here that I would like to I mean, thanks a lot, because it's trying to push the product to the whole of Ghana and maybe to the other world, and I'm really, really happy about that. So if you're a client and you are following OC Tech, probably you can also follow me on SRJ Brighton Minimall.
But you have discount for my subscribers and followers, because you need to get discount too. What do you think, guys?
Oh, okay, no problem. If that's what you're, I'll actually offer them a 5% discount.
5%.
So yes, if you come with the OC Tech name, probably I'll offer you a 5% discount on it.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure,
so this one sells at that's the broadband router.
Okay.
It sells at 800 cedis, but probably I'll offer it to you at a very low price. Maybe
800, another low price.
I'll give it to you at 700 cedis.
It comes with a charger. I think you did not show. It comes with a charger.
So this is the charger.
Yeah.
This is the charger that you will use to charge it.
Okay.
So yeah, that's it. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So I think he has showcased all that he brought today. So I have let me yes. There was this day I saw you on Facebook. We were talking about antivirus, talking about a lot about our laptops. Okay.
Exactly.
And today I have a big virus on my device. I want to ask you, can you just take it out from my device for me?
Of course, it's possible, and it's actually not easy if you are within my shoes. So if you are a client like my big brother or my brother here, and you have a laptop and you are being bothered by virus, I want to show you one thing that you can do that your virus can be off. So go to the internet, go to Google, make sure that you have internet connection. Probably if you don't have internet connection, you cannot get access to the internet.
But this is how to make a video okay, so that you can just watch. So probably check in the comment section, you will see us in that video, and then
Exactly. Then I'll direct you. If you have a PC and you are being bothered by virus, your machine is being sluggish, it is not performing as it used to be. At first, your machine was performing better. You were playing PES 2023, and nowadays, Charlie, it is not easy.
From
that level, Charlie, it's not easy. So yes, probably maybe within that video we'll explain a lot in there, and it will assist you on how to actually remove these viruses. They are bad viruses actually, and they disturb the machines a lot. Don't go and do new Windows installation so that all your files will just move away. Just come around, let's assist you. We have people that can help you. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks for coming, bro. Yeah. After here, my virus, Charlie, solve it for me.
I'll work it out. You don't have any problem.
Okay,
I'll work it out.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I think today this is all that we have for you guys. Just get it. You see, the discount on this device is best. 5% is not something. Just make a calculation of the price that he gave. You see that it's something at least. So sure, get any one of these. This is very, very easy to carry. Exactly. These two things are easy to carry. So just get any one of your choice. Check in the comment section. Use my promo code, or is it a promo code or whatever? Just use a take and then get a discount. Okay, and buy any one of these, and I think it will be the best for you. Okay, so sure. So far as you have a good internet connection around your area, getting this, as I started to say in the beginning of this video, it will save you battery. You know, when you turn on your data on your smartphone, it starts to use the battery as well. So the more you turn on or you have your data turned on, your battery starts to drain very fast. That's why most of you, I think you have been using your second phone as Wi-Fi or MiFi or whatever. Use this, okay? Because this one will even, this one has speed than your phone. You see, your phone has a lot of files on the device, so it starts to slow down. Okay, but with this, you are safe, and it is fast, it is convenient, it's easy to carry.
Exactly. So let me add, so those university students and those college students, just imagine how convenient it will be carrying out this pocket MiFi.
Write your name on it. If I'm in school, write your name on it.
It's so convenient. It's so convenient. So this one too sells at 470 Ghana cedis.
All right.
And probably if you come with OC Tech name, probably I'll offer you that as a 5% discount. Okay. And due to the love that I have for my brother, probably I want to do something crazy on this platform.
Wow.
Yes.
Crazy.
For this one, this broadband router, I'll give it to him for free. And then one thing, I'm reducing the price. Very, very low. Yes, I'm reducing the price.
For first 5 or 10
So
people,
for the first 10 people, I'm just selling it. Not like for the first 10 people, I'm just reducing the price for them. Because of the love that I have for you. So I'll sell this at 650 for you. Just for you, 650. You get the cards itself, you get your power bank, you get everything. You get the broad the Ethernet cable, everything. I'll just give you everything out of this, and then you can go with it. So this 450 and this one 650 for you. Enjoy. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Stay alive and enjoy more from SRJ Minimall.
Exactly. I love you. And for those who want to contact me, you can get me on 0548059755. Probably you'll get it on the screen and it will be moving, or maybe you get it on the either left or right of the screen. 0548.
Can you also leave your socials?
059755. Yes, if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is SRJ Brighton Minimall. SRJ Brighton Minimall. When you search it on Facebook, you'll get me. SRJ Brighton Minimall. There are spaces actually. Thank you very much. I do love you.
Okay, thanks so much guys for watching this video. I hope you learned, at least if you won't buy a car now, you learn something. Okay, so
exactly.
Yeah, I think we shall meet again with the antivirus or something. Okay, so just check the comments, check on the screen for more videos, and I will see you in the next video. Stay alive and bye for now.
Thank you. I love you.
Can you do this for me?
Bye.